Ultra, and I have our water pick. And then I have our latest product, whitening strips.
Hi, it's Dana from Beers with Friends, and this is CMO Pub Quiz, where top marketers spill it all. Today, my guest is Dara Golush, SVP of Marketing at Quip. Welcome, Dara.
Hi, it's great to be here.
What's a marketing rule that you love to break and why?
The rule I love to break is we've done it already and it doesn't work. There's so many variables to why things don't work, whether it's the timing, what you put into it, but I love dissecting, going in there, figuring out, okay, what could we have done different and better, and let's try it again.
What's a marketing hill you're willing to die on?
That the customer comes first. We can go out there and sell and showcase so many different things, but if the customer isn't going to buy it or understand it, it's not going to work.
What's one part of your marketing process that creates the most swirl?
The most swirl comes into messaging. Going back to who you're talking to, where are you talking about the product, really distilling down to what's going to make the product sell.
What's something you got unstuck on recently?
I would say messaging. For us here at Quip, it's constantly going back to how do you convert a consumer from manual into electric? It's less about the tangible reasons why and more about finessing them into a routine and a regimen. So for us, that's really the focus of getting them into the brand and converting them into an electric toothbrush.
What's a newsletter, podcast, or a person that consistently challenges how you think?
Lately, I've been obsessed with the digital shelf. I really love the people that they have on. I'm constantly just looking at different ways of looking at my business from that.
What shift do you think is coming that most marketing teams aren't ready for yet?
It's AI. For some teams, there's a bit of a fear factor of how AI is going to change their business. But here at Quip, we're really embracing it. We're trying to use AI in all different elements of our business. And it's not a replacement for us here. It's really like an enhancement.
What is a marketing phrase or buzzword that makes you cringe?
Optimize. How can we optimize the plan, optimize the business? I don't like to shut things down ever. It's really like double clicking in and figuring out how can we look at this differently and optimize it.
This was a really fun conversation. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you.